जनाब मोहतरम चीफ जस्टिस साहब, बड़े घर से आपके सर पे हाथ रख दिया गया है। अब तो जरा हिम्मत पकड़िए और जरा फैसला सुनाइए।
Mr. Speaker, I would like to address recent events in Pakistan. In evaluating those events, some would say that America should root for whichever political leader styles themselves as more pro-American, has been easier for us to deal with on this or that bilateral issue. But I would say, and I think the State Department agrees, that what comes first is our dedication to democracy and the rule of law. Imran Khan was difficult for us to deal with. Prime Minister Sharif, somewhat easier. But the question is democracy and the rule of law. The Supreme Court of Pakistan has ruled that there should be provincial elections in Punjab and later on in another province. That is the rule of law. I believe that Supreme Court has ruled that its initial ruling is final and unappealable, and that the Supreme Court has ordered that the funds be released as are necessary to hold those provincial elections. America stands not with this policy or that policy or a government that will agree with us on this issue or that issue. America stands for democracy and the rule of law. And we also stand for human rights and the right of free speech and the right to express one's opinions. And I, of course, have been concerned about some of the terrible disappearances, some of the abuses of human rights, some of the substantial evidence of torture. So we need human rights and democracy in Pakistan. We need the rule of law, and America stands not with its short-term bilateral concerns, but with our dedication to democracy and human rights. And most important of all, Pakistan has national elections set forth in October, and nothing is more important for Pakistan than that those elections be timely, legitimate, fair, and that whoever wins the elections be allowed to govern.
ये हैं यूएस कांग्रेसमैन ब्रैड शर्मन। जाग पाकिस्तानी जाग।